lang daw basahin ko. We've already started preparing the moment Franz Castro announced the impeachment plans, which was November of 2023. So November of 2023, there were already lawyers doing their work for the impeachment. So we leave it to the lawyers.
Last question. Last question.
Wala pa tayo doon, ma'am. Masyado pang malayo yung mga ganyan na mga bagay. Nandun pa lang tayo sa pagbabasa ng Actually, ma'am, wala pa tayo doon dahil yung mga abogado lang yung nagtatrabaho. Hindi ko talaga alam kung anong ginagawa nila. But I have a meeting with them.
Last question, please.
The president said he has nothing to do with the impeachment. Do you believe?
I do not want to answer that question. Next.
Confirm po ba na si dating Pangulo Rodrigo Duterte isa sa mga abogado niyo para sa impeachment case?
I do not want to answer that question. Yes, ma'am.
Nakikita niyo po ba na may hahalin tulad ng sitwasyon ngayon ng bansa sa 1984 ni George Orwell?
I do not want to answer that question.
Last
Last.
question. Last question.
Paniwala ko lang, no, if you have to explain or defend your signature in a yes petition for impeachment, then you feel that you have done something wrong. Kasi kung wala ka namang ginawang mali, bakit mo i-defend yung pirma mo?
Thank
So yun
you.
yung paniwala ko.
Ma'am, naniniwala po ba kayo na may gumalaw po for the impeachment? May gumalaw po na parang money involved?
I do not want to answer that question. Yes.
How will you be endorsing senators, lalo na po sa PDP slates, especially that may possibility na mag-trial sa next month?
Hindi pa namin napapag-usapan kung ano yung gagawin ko for the upcoming campaign and election. Pero nasabi ko na noon na patuloy yung trabaho namin, and isa sa mga trabaho namin ay gusto namin tumulong sa Commission on Elections in voter education, particularly yung wag mo ibenta yung boto mo, wag gumamit ng dahas during campaign and election day, yung mga ganon.
Ma'am, payo niyo lang po sa ating mga kababayan sa nangyayari po ngayon sa ating bansa.
Yes, sabi ko nga kanina sa statement ko sa ating mga kababayan na patuloy na sumusuporta, nagmamahal, nagdarasal, napakahalaga nun, ay manalig lang sila dahil sa taong bayan ang tagumpay.
Anong nag-blooming daw patapos naman yan?
Anong naakadri sa Manila na taga Davao man ka?
Thank you, OVP Media.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, sabi niyo po late last year parang prepare na kayo para dito. Pero pwede po i-brief niyo kami kung right now po after i-transmit sa Senate, saan na po yung preparation? May legal team na po ba and nasa
Well, may meeting kami mamayang hapon dahil nag-meeting sila kahapon. Hindi ako sumali. So merong briefing, legal briefing mamaya ang mga lawyers. So I will know more this afternoon. Pakikita nyo na yan pagpasok nila ng kanilang entry of appearance.
Ma'am, tuloy po ang trabaho kahit may pinaghahandaan po kayo impeachment.
Yes sir, opo. Kakatapos lang po ng planning conference ng Office of the Vice President. So we did it last Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday para po sa 2025 and 2026.
So for 2025, may mga maapektuhan ba na programs ng OVP?
Yes, nag-announce na kami na wala kaming wala kaming burial and medical assistance dahil tinanggal yung line na yon sa budget So hindi ka na pwede maglagay ng budget
How
doon.
about the other programs now?
Tutuloy siya.
How confident are you that you want to be convicted in the impeachment court?
Wala pa tayo. Masyadong pang malayo yan, ma'am. wala pa tayo, hindi pa natin inaano yan,
Final question, please.
na-assess ngayon.
Final question.
Number one for have you talked with
Nagtanong ka na ba? Kanina? O sige,
Final
ikaw.
question,
You
Lance.
said before na you're seriously considering to run for 2028. Now na may impeachment na, are you more decided to run in 2028?
Okay. So, wala pa tayo dyan. Wala pa tayo dyan. But, nasabi ko naman di ba, paulit-ulit kung we are seriously considering that. But it's difficult to decide without numbers. So, kailangan malaman yung surveys and numbers. Sa next year pa yun. Oo.
Pero
Hindi
ma'am,
lang
sa
naman in
tingin niyo ba, ma'am?
Sir, nagtanong ka na? Sir.
Kyodo
Yes,
News,
sir.
Ron.
What are you concerned na yung possible consequence that you can be disqualified from public office kung magkaroon na ng conviction?
Yes, sir. Oo. Alam ko po yung penalties ng impeachment. And the moment na nag-resign ako sa Department of Education, before ako nag-resign sa Department of Education, pinag-isipan ko na lahat yan.
Ma'am, sa
Sir.
ngayon ba masasabi ninyo na lalo pa kayong nainganyo na ituloy ang pagtakbo sa 2020 presidential election?
Nasagot ko na ata yung kanina sa question ni Sir na nakaitim. Sir.
Number one in the articles of impeachment was your assassination threat to the president. Do you regret making that statement last time?
I did not make an assassination threat to the president. Sila lang nagsasabi niyan. Sila lang
From the
nagsasabi
fugitive.
may assassination. Sila nagsasabi may assassin, may gunman.
Next, Fuji TV.
Not say that.
Sola.
Ano po kayo if confident kayo sa numbers ng House and sabi nyo, hindi kayo confident. And nagkatotoo nga, ngayon sa Senate, you said na parang meron kayong confidence sa mga senador. So, ngayon, how do you feel about that? Do you still feel confident with the numbers in the Senate?
Sandali, Mama. Kailan ko sinabi yun may confidence ako sa numbers sa Senate?
Sit down.
Ano exact na sinabi ko? Sorry I cannot remember the exact words that I used.
Parang medyo confident kayo with regards sa Senate, sa mga friends and allies.
Unlikely ako magsasabi ng ganyan ba. Pero I need I will answer that next time.
Now, sa Senate.
Ah.
Supposedly, receive nila yung impeachment complaint the other day, pero nag-close sila kagad because of the last session.
Well, that is their prerogative as a body, no? So, we have to respect the Senate kung ano yung desisyon nila.